I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a rose gold and coral look just because I thought that would be bomb. So I started off and I'm laying down some clear acrylic, just really wet and thin, so that when I come in with my bead of glitter it's going to stick nicely to that nail and I'm not going to have any issues with it moving around or anything like that. And I do just pick my glitter up with a bead of acrylic as well and dip that into the raw glitter to pick it up really nicely. I find that that's the best way of doing it, and then you're not wasting a lot of your acrylic. So I'm just using the rose gold glitter from Glitter Planet, and I'm also using the number 10 magic stick brush, which I am in love with. It is my favourite brush of all time. Also, don't forget to go ahead and follow my Instagram. It is NINJANAILFAIRY. I've changed all of my accounts, so now everything is synchronized and everything is under NINJANAILFAIRY. Look how stunning that rose gold is. So moving on to the next finger, I'm coming in with some neon coral. I'm just applying that to the tip and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that up the nail. And this colour is from GLAM and GLITZ and it's called Your Duchess. It's an absolute beautiful coral colour and absolutely perfect for the summertime or even winter, just whenever. It's just a really beautiful pastel but neon kind of colour. So I'm also coming in with one of the Nail Mate acrylic nude colours, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a nice blend. So we are on the middle nail. I have already applied my neon coral colour. I've blended that down, making sure it's nice and thin at the tip area so that I can then come in with my bead of glitter. And then I'm just applying that to the tip and feathering it up really nicely with the tip of my brush just to create a nice glitter fade. For this next nail, I'm coming in again with the rose gold glitter. I've just picked up a nice medium bead of acrylic and then dipped that into the raw glitter. Applied that to the nail and then I'm using my brush to pat it in place and make sure to stay away from the skin and the cuticle area. You don't want to touch the skin or the side walls because you will get lifting. It's always necessary as well when you're working with glitter to ensure that you are patting it down with your brush. You don't want any lumpy bits or bits sticking up. You want to be able to encapsulate it fully and make sure that everything is protected when you apply your clear over the top. So for the thumbnail on this one, I am going to go ahead and apply the nude cover again right at the cuticle area and blend that down, and then to the tip I'm going to come in with that neon coral colour which is called Your Duchess. I'm going to apply it to the tip and blend it up so that they blend really nicely, and then I'm going to come in with the rose gold glitter and apply that across the nail so that it has like a really nice feature. I also go ahead and do that to the other ombre nail because I really liked it and I thought it was kind of missing something, so that's exactly what I did. So this is how the nails look once I've finished applying my acrylic, and then I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate everything in clear. I'll file them both, and then once I've finished doing that, I'll be back to apply some nail art. When filing the hand, I did see that the tips were coming out. As you can see, I do have to push them back in to the well area. I did have my EFILE on sort of like medium to high speed, I guess, so that is probably the issue there. It really wasn't a huge problem. I was still able to do everything that I needed, and then I came in with the hand file anyway, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of that sometimes the tip can maybe come out and is not very, very secure, like it bends and stuff still. But yeah, I still enjoyed working with this hand, and I still felt that it was really, what's the word? It was just a nice hand to work with. Even though the tips did come out slightly, it still did the job. And when you are hand filing with the silicone hands, you want to make sure that you are supporting the nail, especially with the Glamorous hand, because the tips do just pop straight out when you pull them. You just want to sort of hold onto the top whilst you do the free edge and the side walls. This way it's not going to come out or move or anything like that. Okay, so I've gone ahead, removed all the dust, washed hands, and we are coming in with some white gel paint. And today I've just decided to do sort of like an Aztec stripe tribal kind of design. It was super simple and easy, but I just wanted to add something onto this set to sort of like make it a little bit of something something. You know what I'm saying? Next I'm coming in with top coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the final result. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you have liked sort of like seeing me work on the Glamour Liz practice hand. I have the shade Elsa and I am really enjoying it. I do have half a hand coming in the post as well, so I'll be excited to share that with you guys, and I'll give you like a full review on the entire hand once I've received the second hand, just because I did have some slight issues with this first one. Really it was nothing major, and Liz was really helpful with sort of like fixed it together, and we are sorting it out, so there's nothing really bad that I can say about it, because I absolutely love the hand, which is why I invested my money in it, because I do think it's an absolutely amazing piece of kit. So yeah, I'll have it linked down below for you guys if you want to go and check it out. And this is me just removing the nails, and this is how simple it is. You just pop your tip out and then you place one back in. The only thing I've found when I've done longer sets on this hand is that the tips that I've applied into that well area don't quite sit flush with the nail plate that's actually on the silicone hand, so they sort of like face upwards, which was a little bit of a downside for me as well. But overall I do really like the hand. Again, I will have a more detailed review coming soon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.